do want to show you the radar imagery. This is from last night to highlight all of these active storms. We had severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings, a destructive thunderstorm warning with winds in excess of 74 to 80 miles an hour. The second line rolled through. Most of this was warned with severe thunderstorm warnings, and then everything dissipated as we went into right around 1 o'clock in the morning. We're still waiting on storm reports. We got a lot of reports from the west. I know there are several places that I've received pictures from, specifically from South Milwaukee. I did just get some reports out of Elkhorn that I just submitted to the National Weather Service. Once we verify that, it pops up here on our storm report. So feel free to send us information. But look at this one right here from Belleville, a 74-mile-an-hour wind gust. Guys, that is hurricane force winds that came out of some of these destructive thunderstorms last night. The National Weather Service is going to several areas to do some storm surveys to verify damage and decide whether or not we did have some tornadoes last night. But what's left in the wake? Some gusty winds. These winds are gusting upwards of 39 miles an hour, both in Milwaukee and Kenosha, 29-mile-an-hour winds right now in Racine. So it's a trash can wind meter kind of a day. Maybe in your neighbor's yard by the end of the day today. Highs near 74 degrees. Tomorrow we go up to 77, and then we have those rain chances picking up heading into your Memorial Day weekend holiday. The first one up is going to be Friday. It does look like this is more of an afternoon scenario. That's going to move through, giving way to a decent Saturday on tap. I would say this is the better day if you have a barbecue planned, because by Sunday I'm tracking a system that really hugs near Chicago, so may not impact all of us, and it may trend further south. For now, I will call for a chance of storms on Sunday and Monday, and then we will clear up going into the middle of next week. So the 7-day forecast just highlighting the fact that it is warm and windy today. Thank goodness, much quieter as well. 77 tomorrow, nice little bump in temperatures. And then you can see we maintain those 70s going into the holiday weekend with those storm chances as well. And I will fine tune that forecast as we get closer. We're still 6 days out from Memorial Day, so I'll keep a close eye on it.
Sounds good. Thanks, Lindsay.